So we are continuing the series 50 exercises in SolidWorks. So in this video we will see exercise number 11, 12, 13, 14 until exercise 20. Okay, let's begin with exercise 11. So here we can draw this figure easily in right side view, because this section, which is a C section like this thing, and this is a rectangle, these two things are clearly visible in the right side view. So we will choose right plane. Okay, first of all let's go open a new file, part. Okay, then we will select right plane, go to sketch, then line, then we will draw this shape. Okay, so here the total width is 40. So from here to here this width is 40, of which 20 is this width and 20 is this one. So if this is 20, this will be also 20. This distance is 10. How can we say this is 10? So the total height of the object is 40. The height from the base to this section is 30. The remaining height will be 10. So this is 10. Similarly, here if this is 10 and this is 30, these two distances will be also 10 and 10. So overall we need to create this shape. Okay, so we will start from here, which is 40, 20, 10. So we will draw this shape. Select line, so this is 20, this is 10. So first of all let's design the shape like anyhow. Later we can change the dimensions. So this is 40, 20, 10, 20. Go to smart dimension, select this, it is 40. This is 20. This is 10. This is also 20. This is 10. This is also 10. So this is also 10. So we have made the figure 40, 20, 10. Remaining 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. This is 20. Or we can cover this. Okay. So here 20, 10, 20, 10, 10. This is also 10, 10, 10, So now click OK, go to features, and before going to features we should know the thickness or the width. Okay, in this case we need the length. Okay, so the length is, the total length is 60. Okay, so go back, go to features, up to the Extruded Boss Base, select 60, click OK, then press escape. Now you need to cut a portion of this rectangle here. See, we have a complete rectangle, so we need to cut a portion. So we need to know which portion to cut. So here, if you see in the top view, so this is the portion we need to cut here. It is 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay, go back, select this face, normal to, so 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay, we need to select a sketch, a rectangle from here, place a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So this is 10. No need to give this distance because it's already 20. Click OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, select through all, click OK, escape, then Control 7. Now we have successfully removed this portion. Now we need to cut another portion of this. So we need to basically cut this rectangle. So here the total length is 60 and this is 20 only. So the remaining distance will be 40. So it will be a 40 by 20 rectangle. 40, 20, 40, 20. So again you need to select the face, go to normal, go to sketch, select a rectangle, select this corner and place a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So this distance is 40. No need to give the width because it's already 20. Click OK, go to features, go to Extruded Cut. If you select here through all, it will cut everything. Okay, let's see. Control 7. So it's cutting everything. So we need to cut only the upper portion. So what we need to do? We need to go to the edit feature, then select only up to next. Okay, so then it will cut only or up to next. So we can simply select blind and then decrease the width to 10. Okay, simply click OK. Oh, okay, 10 is only till here, so again we need to do edit feature. So this is 10, 20. I think we need to do it till 20. Okay, so blind till 20, then click OK. So now your figure is complete. So with this, exercise 11 is completed. Now let's go to exercise 12. So here we need to divide this shape into 3 parts. First part, second part, third part. So first one is the base, which can be easily drawn in the top view. Okay, this is your top view, so you can draw it here easily. So let's draw it in the top view. For this, go to top plane, sketch, line, simply create the shape first. Okay, so select the line, go upside, complete the shape. Then you can give the dimensions 40, 60, so this is 20. Smart dimensions 40, 60, 20, then this distance is also, so no need to give this distance, so simply give the angle. So angle is 45 between this line and this line. Okay, type 45, enter. Okay, we need then left. Okay, so first of all, this is completed, the base is completed. Now we need to give it a height of 10. Go back here, go to features, Extruded Boss Base, 10, click OK. Then escape. Now we need to place this rectangle here. So the dimensions of the rectangle are 10 multiplied by, say it's easily visible here, 10 by 30, 10, 30. Okay, with a width of 10. So click here, normal to sketch a rectangle, place a rectangle here, click OK, go to smart dimension. So this dimension is 30 and this is 10. Click OK, go to features, again Extruded Boss Base, to view the direction, change it to isometric, give it a width of 10, click OK, press escape. Now the second shape is also ready. Now in order to draw this shape, we need to know the dimensions again. It is 30, 30, then this thing. Okay, so 30, then 30, then a inclined line. So this line, okay, the inclination point, this end point, and the length of the base here is 50. So we can make it easily from the back side view. Okay, now if you go back side, it is 30, 30, close it, then the length of the base is 50. Okay, go here, from the heads up toolbar, select back view. Okay, or simply you can press Ctrl 2. Now go to sketch, then you can start from here. Okay, don't confuse, we are in the back side view, so we will draw this first. Okay, 30, 30, inclined line. So select this one, select line. Okay, so up to 30, this is also up to 30, then inclined line, then close it. Now give the dimensions it is 30. This is also 30. Now this thing is 50. Then click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base. To know the direction, go to isometric view, change the direction to the inwards. The width of the shape is 10. Click OK. Now what is remaining here? This hole, square hole. So the dimensions of the square are 10 in each side. So click here, normal to, go to sketch, take the rectangle, place the square, OK, go to smart dimension, so 10 by 10, and also we need to give the distance from the edges. So from here the distance seems to be 10 and this is also 10. So now go back, from here to here the distance is 10. Also from here to here the distance is 10. So now it's fully defined. Click OK, go to features, select Extruded Cut, select through all, click OK, then Control 7. Press escape to remove the blue line. So this is your exercise 12. Now let's go to exercise 13. Okay, so it's a little complicated one. So here the cuttings are made in 3 different planes. Okay, so first of all let's decide in which view we will draw it. So let's choose the top view. The length is 70, so here this is also 70, this is 40, so 70 minus 40 gives you 30, so this portion is 30, so this is also 30. Okay, so 40, 70, 20 inclined line, then it is 30 in top view. Now again open a new file, select top plane, go to sketch, line. So we need to draw this shape. Okay, now that's why I was watching it. Control Z, select line, so this is the shape we need. So now give the dimensions, go to smart dimension, so this is 40, this is 70, this is 20, this is 30. Forty, 70, 20, 30. So now this is fully defined. Okay, then what is the width? So this is top view, so we need a height, it is 40. Okay, now go to features, give it a height of 40, then click OK. Now, so this is in the top view. Okay, top view is finished. Now let's do some modification in the front view. So this is 40, 70, this is 20. So whatever is present above this triangle, see here it is a complete rectangle we can see in the front view. Okay, let's open the front view. So what we are seeing in the front view, a complete rectangle. See, in the front view we can see complete rectangle, but we only need this portion. Okay, here we need a cut. We need to cut a triangle from this portion. So what is the length of the triangle? See, this is 20, sorry, this is 40 and this is 20. 40 by 20 triangle we need to cut from here. So select the, first of all, Control 7, select this face, select normal to. Now select the sketch line, make a triangle here. Okay, till midpoint, and click OK. So now we don't need this triangle, we need to cut it. Okay, so in the front view we don't have a triangle, so I am cutting it now. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut, then through all, click OK, press escape, Control 7. So now this is your shape, but if you see in the side view, right side view, also there is a cutting. Now first of all, what we did, we cut it from the top view, later we cut it in the front view. Now let's try the side view, right side view. So select right side. Okay, now in the right side view, select this, go to sketch line, starting from here, draw a straight line. Okay, then escape, then again towards left side, draw a line, from here to here, then join these two, click OK. So these two lines are, we don't need the triangle inside this. See here, we need the triangle outside. We need to remove the triangle which is outside the this portion. So we can make these two lines as construction lines, then click OK. Again go to line, from here we can construct the triangle. I think we made a mistake here. Okay, so go to features, Extruded Cut, and select through all. Okay, then press escape. So now if we see the side view, right side view, you can see the difference. So here we need one more triangle which is not available now. Okay, see in the right side view we need this triangle. So for this we need to construct a plane. Okay, if you see this diagram, so this plane is not parallel to any of the front, so it is not a front plane, not a right plane, okay, sorry, not a front plane, not in the top plane, not in the right plane. So we cannot copy any of these planes. We need to create one more plane which is parallel to this surface, then only we can cut it. So now let's add a plane. So from the features, select reference, select plane. Now carefully select these 3 points. This is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. Now anything we will cut on it will be according to this plane. Then click OK. Now go to sketch. Now we need a normal to this plane. So this is normal to this plane. Okay, now select line and select these 3 points again, then click OK. Now go to features, Extruded Cut, and to see the direction you need to convert this into AC isometric. So blind, so upside, so when you change the direction, if you see like this, it is going upward. So click OK, then press escape, Control 7. So in order to hide the plane 1, simply click here and select hide. So this is your exercise 13. You can compare. Okay, now let's go for the next exercise, which is 14. Okay, so this also we will draw in top plane 60 40. Okay, so this length is 60 and this is 40. Here height is also 40. So now go here, go to top plane, go to sketch, rectangle, go here, create a rectangle, click OK. Dimensions, this line is 60, the height is 40, click OK. Go to features, Extruded Boss Base. Now the height is 40. Okay, increase the height, click OK, zoom to fit. Then what is remaining? So in the top view we need to construct these 2 lines. Okay, so this is at a distance of 20 and this is also 20. So let's create. go to top plane, normal to we need to create a sketch from the midpoint to this end point. Okay, then this midpoint to this one. Select. Okay, so now let's make these two lines as construction lines. Then click OK, Control 7. So here also we need to make a plane, okay, passing through these 3 points, first, second, third. So here we already have this point as a construction line. We have drawn these 2 construction lines. This will be easier as to find, so as to ease the location, okay, finding the location. So this is the plane which is passing through 3 points, okay. So this distance here is also 20. We can simply select a midpoint. So go back here, exit the sketch, go to features, select reference plane. So this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. So this is the plane. Click OK. Now go to sketch and go normal to the plane and select again these 3 points. Then click OK. Okay, go to features, Extruded Cut, change the direction so that it will turn into, it will change the color. Then click OK. Okay, then click Control 7, hide the plane. So this is first cut. Now this portion is finished. Now we need to cut this portion, okay, by selecting these 3 points. So first of all, we need to select one more plane passing through this point, and this point. Then click OK. Now again we need to go for sketch and normal to. This is normal to. Go to line, select these 3 points, click OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, again change the direction so that it will cut the upper portion. Then click OK, Control 7, and hide the plane number 2. This is plane 2, hide it. So this is your figure, okay. Also, if you want to hide the temporary lines, you can hide them, okay. So this is your exercise 14. So next we will go for exercise 15. In exercise 15, again we will select top view. So the length is 50, height is 40, this is 50, here the width is 40. Okay, so go back to new file, go to top plane, sketch, rectangle, create a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimensions. So this is 50, this is 40. This is 50, this is 40, click OK. Now we need to know the height, which is 40. Again go to features, extruded boss base, give the height as 40, click OK, zoom to fit. Now here we have one first step which is of 10 and 30. Okay, or else we can take this portion as our first step, which is the total distance is 50, the total length is 50. So if we remove this 10 from 50, it will be 40 by 30. Go here, select normal to, then sketch rectangle, click OK, smart dimension, this is 40 and this is 30, click OK, go to features. So we need to cut down area of we need to cut down till the depth 10. Okay, so go to Extruded Cut to see the direction, change isometric. So we are cutting till a depth of 10, click OK, then press escape. Now the first step is finished. Now we need to select the second step and the third step. Okay, so it is 30 by 30 this length and 30 width. So again select this one, go here, go to sketch rectangle, place a rectangle. Okay, smart dimension, choose 30 here and also 30 here, or I think 20 here. So this is 30, this is 30. Okay, click OK, then go to features, Extruded Cut. Again we need to go for 10. Again press escape. This time we need to create this portion, okay, which is 20, 30, 10, and this portion 20, 30, 10 inclined line. Okay. First of all, we need to select the face. Normal to line. Complete this shape, then click OK, go to smart dimension. This is 10, this is 20. Then click OK, go to features, extruded cut, again 10, click OK, Control 7, press escape. Now this is your step. Here we have a chamfer, so it is 20 and 45. Distance is 20, angle is 45. So go to chamfer, make the distance 20, angle is 45, select this edge, click OK. So this completes the figure. Exercise number 15. Now let's go to exercise 16. For this also go for new, create. So this is also a little bit complicated, but we will do it. So here the length of this one is 60 and height is 60 as well. Okay, length 60, height 60. No, sorry, length is 60, width 60. Length 60, height 40, width 40 also. So go back to the top plane, sketch, rectangle, draw a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. The length is 60, width is 40. Okay, go to features, Extruded Boss Base, height is also 40, click OK. Zoom to fit. Now in the top view also, here we need to cut this portion. This portion is not visible, so here there is no line here. Okay, so we need to cut this triangle. So this triangle, and if this is 60, this is complete 60, then from here to here the distance is 10. The remaining will be 50. So the base of the triangle will be 50, height will be 10. We need to cut this triangle from the top view. Okay, so click this one, normal to, go to sketch. So construct a triangle. Okay, go to smart dimension. So as we said, the height is 10, the base is 50, click OK, go to features, extruded cut, through all, click OK. Press escape, Control 7. Now from the top view we cut it. After that If we have anything in the front view, we can cut it. But we don't have anything here. But we can construct these two lines in the front view. No need, because we have 2 points here. We can select these 2 points on basis of this, and this is a midpoint, so no need to construct this as well. So but in top view we can construct this line instead, so it will be used as a reference point whenever there is a need. So click this, select normal to, then draw this line. Okay, simply draw this line and make it a construction line. Go to sketch, line, starting from here, anywhere, right click, select, go to smart dimension. From this point to this point it is 20, then click OK and make this a construction line. Okay, then Control 7. Now we need to choose the planes. Okay, so first of all we will come from the top side. This is the first point, second point, third point. Okay, this plane. Let's select this plane. Now exit the sketch, go to features, reference curves, plane, select this point, and select the midpoint. Click OK. Okay, now go to sketch, go to normal to the plane. So if it comes like this backwards, second time also do the same, normal to, then it will come to the front. Now select the line, select the 3 points, select OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, it's already selected, so click OK, escape, Control 7. Now we need to head the plane 1, go to plane 1, then hide. So the first cut is over. Now we need to do 2 more cuts. So this is the second plane. Okay, hala, first, second, third, these 3 points makes another plane, another cutting plane. So let's do it. Go to reference plane. This is the first point, second point, third point. Is it correct? Yeah. Okay, so we will do it later. As of now we can do this bottom side. This is the first point, second point, and third point. Okay, so cancel this plane, go to reference plane. So here we need this point, and this point click OK, go to sketch, select normal to. So as I said, we can select one more time normal to, it will come into the front. Go to line, select these 3 points, and click OK. Go to features, extruded cut, select OK, press escape. Then if you control 7, if you want to hide plane 2, you can hide from here. So I think this is your figure, no need to cut from the other side. Yes, because we already cut it in the top plane, so it is enough for it. So exercise 16 is also over. Now let's do exercise 17. So this will be also in top plane. It is easier for us to draw in the top plane. 50, 30. 50 is the length, 30 is the width. This is 30, this is 50. Height is 40. Okay. So go back. Go to top plane, sketch a rectangle from the origin. Okay. Go to smart dimension, it is 50. It is 30. Click OK. Now the height is 40. Go to features, extruded boss base, give it a height 40. OK. Zoom to fit. Now we need to cut this portion. Okay. So here first of all we will cut the 20 portion till 30, till 20. Okay, so see this triangle, select this triangle, then or you can first cut this portion, no problem, you can cut this one. So in order to cut this, you need to draw a line first, which is 20 from here and 20 from here. Okay, then from the corner draw a line which is 30 from here. So let's do it. Select this, normal to, then go to sketch, line, draw a line from this corner to somewhere here, then again draw a line from here to here. So the distance of this line, the starting point of this line to this end is 20. This corner is also 20. Yani we need to give the smart dimension from this point to this point. From this point to this point, the distance is 20, and also from this point to this point, the distance is 20, and from here to this point, dimension, from this point to this point. This distance is 30. Okay, then click OK. Okay, now we need to join these two lines and these two lines. Then click OK. Okay, now this is a closed part. Go to features, extruded cut. So we need to know the depth. So what is the depth here? The depth of this cut is 30 millimeters. Okay, so first of all we need to see the isometric view. So make it 30, click OK. Then press escape, Control 7. So now this triangle has to be cut till a depth of 20. So from here to 20. Okay, so now again click the triangle, go normal to sketch this triangle. Click OK. Go to extruded cut. Give it a depth of 20 and click OK. Control 7 again, escape. Now this portion is complete. So what is left is this slot. Okay, so for this you need to make a rectangle and then cut till a depth of 10 on the top face. Okay, you need to make a rectangle. Click OK. So the total distance is 30. The slot width is 10. So here this slot is at a distance of 10 from each side. Okay, 10 from here, 10 from here. So go back, give the dimension as from this line to this line, it is 10, and this width is also 10. So no need to give this as 10. So you can decrease this to maybe 39. Okay, so if it goes a little bit away, no problem. Okay, because we are going to cut it. Click OK. Go to features, extruded cut, see the direction, isometric. Okay, so we need only 10. Then click OK. Press escape. So this is your shape. Exercise number 70 is completed now. Now let's go to exercise 18. So exercise 18, this figure is visible clearly in front view. So we will adapt front view for this. Okay, go back. Now we need to create this shape. Okay, so go to sketch line. Okay, first of all we will select the front plane, line, go straight. So we need to create the shape of J. So we created this shape. Now let's give the dimensions. Go to smart dimension. This is 50, this is also 50. Next, this distance is 10 and this one is 30. So now if we see here, there is a fillet of radius 10 and this will be radius 20 because this width is 10, so this will be of course 20. So go to fillet, mm, click OK. Go to fillet 10 mm, so you need to select this one, click OK. So now you change this to 20. We need this fillet here, click OK, then again OK. So now we need to extrude this part till the width. What is the width? 40. So go to features, extruded boss base, give it a width 40, click OK. Now press escape to remove the lines. Now we need to fillet these two edges also. Here these two edges has to be fillet. So this is the radius 10. Take this edge, take this edge, click OK. So what is remaining? There is a hole here, circular hole. First of all, we need to fillet this as well. So this is radius 20. So go to fillet again. Change the radius to 20. We need this edge and this edge. Click OK. So now this became a fillet. Now I need to draw a circle here. Select normal to, go to sketch, select circle. We need to find out the center. So make a move here. Then you will draw a circle. Click OK. Give the dimension 20 and click OK. Then go to features, extruded cut, see the isometric view. Okay, so click OK, press escape. Okay, okay, now let's go to the next exercise, which is 19. Again we will draw a box in top view, 50, 40, 40. Close select top plane, go to sketch, rectangle, 50, 40. Okay, go to smart dimension. This is 50 and it is 40. go to OK, features, Extruded Boss Base, give it a height of 40. OK, zoom to fit. Now we need to make the steps again like this, like we did in previous step. So 30 40, 30 by 40. Okay, in the top view, click here, normal to, go to sketch, rectangle. Okay, smart dimension, this is 40 and this is 30. Now there is a chamfer here, so it is 40 and it is if it is 30 it is 20. Okay, so that means here there is a chamfer of 10 by 10. So select chamfer, equal distance 10. So click here, click here. Okay, then go to features, Extruded Cut. The depth here is in the front view, the depth is 10. Okay, so give it a depth, of 10. Click OK, press escape. So the first step is over. Now the second step. In the second step, we need to make a triangle, then leave the triangle, and actually we need to take this shape again, 40, 30, 20 here. Okay, 40, 30, 20, 20. So again go to normal, again select a sketch, draw a rectangle, click OK. Now this length is 40. Okay, go to smart dimension, 40. Okay, this is 40. This is 10. Actually, we don't need a rectangle here, so delete the rectangle by pressing Ctrl Z. What we need here in the second step, this is 40. Okay, we can do it this way also. Control keep it as it is. So this is 40. Ten. There is a little confusion here. Press Ctrl Z. We can draw this triangle and make it extrude till 30. So let's do this first. Okay, 40, 20. Okay, so go select this face, select the line, draw a triangle, click OK. So go to Smart Dimensions. So here the angle between this line and this line is 45 degrees. So here also it is 45 degrees. Click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Cut till 30. Is it till 30? Okay, it's 30 from the top, so we are extruding from here. That means we should give it 20 only. Click OK. Then press Escape. Now this remaining portion, again we need to draw this remaining portion, which will go till a depth of 10. Okay, so click here, normal to, so select the sketch, so that's it. Actually this line and this line should be parallel. Then this distance from here to here is 10. So if it is 10, this is also 10. Now select the line, complete the remaining portion like this. Then click OK. Go to Extrude Cut and give it a depth of 10. Okay, you can see the direction here. Not here, in the isometric view. Click OK. Press Escape. So this is your exercise number 19. Okay. Now the last one, exercise 20 in this video is here. So for this one, what we will do, we will create this in parts. So this is the base, this is the first part, this is the second part. Okay, so what is the base? Base we will draw in the front view, 40 into 20. Okay, so length is 40, height is 20. Go back, click OK, select the front view, go to sketch, rectangle, draw a rectangle, click OK. Now the length is 40, width is 20, height is 20. 40, height is 20. So go to smart dimension, length is 40, height is 20. Now click OK, go to features. Now we need to look for the width. What is the width? Width is 40. So select Extruded Boss Base, give it a width 40. OK. Now press escape. Now if you see the figure, here there is a fillet. What is the radius? 20. Go back, select fillet, increase the radius to 20, select this edge, click OK. Now our fillet is ready. Now draw a circle, and this fillet and this circle are concentric, so the diameter of this small circle is 20, that means radius is 10. So go back, click on this face, go to sketch, select circle, place your cursor here so that you will see the center. Once you see the center, click here, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20, click OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, through all, click OK, then Control 7 again to see the isometric view. Now we need to draw this portion, the second part, so which is having a length of 30 and width 10. Okay, 30, 10. And what is the height? Height is 40. Okay, 30, 10. We need to construct a so go to sketch, select a rectangle, place it like this, click OK, go to dimension, it is 30 and it is the width is 10. Now the height is how much? The height in the front view is 40, so 40 from the base, so 20 from the top of this face. Okay, so the height of this base is 20, so the remaining thing is 20. So let's make it 20. So make the height 20, click OK, press escape. So here we need to draw this shape. Okay, here we have, I think, two chamfers. This 10, again some straight line, again 10. So select this face, go to normal to, okay, go to sketch, draw the pattern like this, go straight, then right click, select. Now the distance between this point and this point is 10, as mentioned in the right view. It is 10, and this point is also 10. And this depth is also 10. So small dimension, this direction is also 10. Okay, then click OK. Select line, click here and complete the sketch. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut, and cut this portion. Press escape, Control 7. Okay, now to draw this shape, we will make a rectangle, complete rectangle, then we will cut the unwanted portions. From the back side view, make this shape. So go to heads up toolbar, select back view, go to sketch, select a rectangle. First of all, select the face, select a rectangle, start from here. Okay, so what is the length of this rectangle? So it is 20. You can say this is 10, this is also 10, 20. Okay, so 20 height and 20 width. So this is 20 and also this is 20. Then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, make it 10. See the direction, so it is going correct only. Then click OK. Control 7. Now we need a chamfer here. Go to chamfer. So the distance is 10. Click OK. Sorry, select the edge, then click OK. Now the chamfering is done. So the last thing is the small box of 10 by 10. This thing, the small cube of 10 by 10. Click here. Select normal to, go to sketch, draw a small cube here, go to features, first go to sketch, small dimension, 10 by 10. Then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, 10, OK. Control 7, escape. Now this completes your figure, exercise 20. So in the remaining 3 videos I will upload the exercises from 21 to 30, 31 to 40, and also 41 to 50. Thanks for watching.